Hello and welcome to our step-by-step guide on restoring your mailbox using the Kernel Office 365 Backup and Restore tool. Today, we're going into the straightforward process of safeguarding your important emails and data. Whether you're an IT professional or a savvy business user, this tutorial is made to make your restoration journey both simple and efficient. Let's start by launching the Kernel Office 365 Backup and Restore tool. Simply tap on Restore to begin. This is your first step toward secure and efficient data management. Next up, we'll add the PST/OST files that serve as our restoration source. Click on Add and select the files you need. Now, tap on Add again to set up your destination. Here, you're presented with two authentication options, Basic and Modern. Choose what suits you best. For this demonstration, let's go with Modern Authentication. Here, you'll enter your Tenant ID, Client ID, and Client Secret Value. Moving forward, select the Mailbox Office 365 Group option and enter the relevant email ID. In the next window, pick your destination account. Then, hit the Set Filter and Migrate button. Now, from the drop-down list, select the type of data you wish to back up. Your options are Mailbox, Archive Mailbox, or Public Folder. Once chosen, click Migrate. In the Filter selection window, you have a variety of options. Apply all the useful filters suitable for restoring back to the mailbox. You can use checkbox to enable them easily. Once you have selected your preferences, click I am OK, Start Migration. This is the moment where the magic happens. Your data will be restored to your new destination. Once the process completes, a message will pop up confirming the successful migration. To save a report of this process, click Save Report to CSV, choose a location, and tap Save. And that's it. You've successfully navigated the Kernel Office 365 Backup and Restore tool to restore your valuable data. Thank you for joining us on this tutorial. To know more about the tool, visit the website on given link. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to make your digital life more manageable and secure.